Hi everyone, hope you are well. Today I'm going to show you how to clean toilet in your house. This is my first video on cleaning and hygiene. I will appreciate if you subscribe the video and make some comments to improve it. To start the cleaning, you need to have a pair of gloves, apron, cleaning bleach, bathroom cleaning spray, a toilet brush, some wipes and some dry tissue paper. You can get all these products from a local shop or supermarket. Before starting the cleaning, you need to wear apron and gloves. I recommend you to buy good quality of gloves from a supermarket. Now I'm going to use this bleach that I bought from supermarket. It's not expensive at all. I don't use expensive or fancy cleaning product to clean our toilet. This one works very well in our toilet. I'm going to use the bleach inside the toilet and leave it there for some time. Meanwhile, I will clean the toilet seat, lid, and surrounding places of the toilet. To do that, I'm going to use bathroom cleaning spray on the seat and toilet lid. This cleaning spray I bought from supermarket and it's not pricey at all, as you can see it. I'm spraying on the lid and then on the toilet seat. After that, I'm going to wipe off the seat and lid with a separate napkin that I only use for the toilet cleaning. I will suggest not to use this napkin for any other purpose. You might think why I am showing this video on YouTube. Many of us cannot afford to hire a cleaner as it is quite expensive, or they are not available in some countries. Hence my effort to show you how to clean it in a quickest way. Once I'll use these wipes, I will use some other wipes to clean the seat and surrounding spaces of the toilet. I'm now going to use some other wipes. Use these wipes to clean outside the water flash, water sprayer, to make sure everything gets cleaned properly. One thing you need to remember, after using all these wipes, make sure you throw out all these tissues in the bin, because if you throw them inside the toilet, your toilet pipe might get blocked. This wipes you can buy from the supermarket or local shop as well. These are not very pricey either. Make sure all the outside of the toilet is cleaned properly. I'm going to use some more tissue wipes. It's also quite important you clean outside of the toilet body. You can use the wipes or any other napkins to do that. I'm going to clean some other base of the toilet seat. outside of the toilet buddy and other spaces are almost cleaned. After that, I'm going to throw them in the bin. As I mentioned, make sure you throw out all these wipes in the bin, not inside the toilet. After that, I'm going to use toilet brush to clean inside the toilet. This brush you can buy from the local shop or supermarket as well. It's not very pricey either. There are some quite expensive one. I'm going to scrub it with this brush properly. This toilet was cleaned yesterday actually, but for this video purpose, I'm cleaning it again. After scrubbing inside the toilet, you make sure you flush out and also make sure you clean the toilet brush with that water. I'm now flashing it and also cleaning my brush with that water. Then I'm going to put the brush back in the bucket. Yes, we are almost done. Now you need to use a dry tissue paper or kitchen towel to wipe all the wet places of the toilet to make it dry so that the toilet can be used instantly after completing the cleaning. Mostly I wipe off the seat, lids and the water splash. Yes, voila, it's all done. As you can see, the toilet cleaning can be done in a few minutes. Hope you like the video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will post more videos in the future. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.